You want to start an eBay dropshipping business, but you don't know where to begin? Are you feeling confused, not sure what steps to take? Well, in this video, I'll share a 3-step formula that worked for thousands of people just like you to quickly break even and become profitable. And the reason that I know this formula works so well is because our users have been using it and they have been sharing with us results every week. Here's Ramahi Anas, who started a couple months ago and already broke even. And Ferry Amadi, who's 12 months with us and is making 66,000, almost 67,000 Australian dollars in sale earnings in the last 90 days. And there's so many more. So these people are using the exact strategy, the same strategy that I'm going to share with you today. The strategy that I'll share with you will give you the exact steps to take your dropshipping store from zero to break even. So please watch from beginning to end. Beginning to end, and be ready to take some notes. Let's start with breaking down the formula. Your e-commerce journey is divided into 3 important steps that you have to keep in mind. When you break even, when you become profitable, and when you reach independence. And guess what? The breaking even stage is the most crucial. Our studies show that 90% of the people that manage to break even in the first 3 months also become profitable and reach independence. So the strategy that I'm going to show you now will give you the exact steps to break even fast. So let's jump into it. All right. So step number 1, create eBay seller account. If you have an own account, even better. Step number 2, start buying feedbacks. We want to build authority and make it look like we already made like 50 plus sales. You can get buyers feedback by purchasing cheap 50-cent items from auctions. So you go to eBay, you click here, advanced search, then you type the keyword that you want, just earrings, and then you price here, and then you up to 0.5 right here's already. So up to 50 cents. Okay. And then you search and then your results going to be filtered out like this. So these are examples of products that you can buy to get quick feedback. Just a quick note, do not buy more than 2 items a day and always take at least 1 day off between each purchase. That means you need about 25 days to get to 50 feedbacks, which is enough for getting started, and you can start selling before you reach the 50 feedbacks, okay? Now, step number 3 is to list items from home and call eBay to increase your selling limits. Step number 4, pick your supplier. To quickly break even, we suggest starting with local suppliers such as Amazon. With their fast shipping, you will get your sales delivered in less time, which means that you will get more feedback, which means you will build trust with the eBay algorithm much faster. Step number 5 is find fast selling products. There are many different product research methods, but when we're just getting started, our goal is to quickly break even. And the fastest way to do it is to sell traffic products. So what are the traffic products criteria? Number 1, selling for less than $15 because cheap products have more demand and they sell faster. Number 2 is to have products that have at least 10 sales in the last 30 days. Of course, aim for more because we want to sell products fast. Number 3, list these items for minimum profit. You want to be cheaper than anyone else, okay? Now, let me show you a quick example on how I find traffic products with software Zik Analytics, and you can try it out for $1 anytime you're ready to start, okay? So let's jump into it. Okay, so we're in Zik Analytics. Quick settings here, just make sure that you have the right supplier and shipping location. We're using Amazon, shipping in the United States. Now, right here, we're looking for items with up to $15, right? $15 or less. That's what we're looking for. You come here. For the sake of the example, let's look for keychains, all right? And then you're going to see all the information here, the statistics. Just double check that you have the Amazon logo and the green mark right here. And for example, this one has more than 10 sales, correct? It has 39 sales the last 30 days. Let's take this one. Look, it's a dropshipper. And then you click here in the item finder and Zik Analytics will find the similar or exact same product on Amazon. Look, found it right here for $1.99. And the seller is selling for $5.80. Let's just look the listings quickly here to double check everything. But you can see here in Amazon, it's $1.99. Okay. And then you scroll down here, you have all the information, and you go here to the listings and check it out. $580. So you can definitely list this product. Remember, you want to sell products cheaper than anyone else. Step number 6, creating SEO optimized titles. Buyers on eBay, they're searching for items they want to buy. The keyword that they're searching for is the keywords we want to use in our title. Today, with tools like Zik Analytics, you can see the exact keywords people are searching for and how much sales they are generating. You go to the listing, you choose 1 or 2 keywords that represents the item, that explains the item. You go to the title builder here, and then you post them. Here's romantic keychain, and click search, and then you're going to have the long tail keyword ideas and the generic keyword ideas. Here are the words that people on eBay, they type when they're looking for this type of product. You always have to focus on products with high sales and low competition, okay? So you would use all these keywords, and you can just like, click them and choose like the generic keywords ideas to the ones you don't have. Another idea is to actually come here, copy your competitor's title, you paste here, and then you take all unnecessary keywords out. You see here, it has 80 characters. Then let's see, for example, we have this good word. It's there, a couple keychain keying. So it has there. Actually, this is a pretty good title. What it would take off is just Valentine's Day, since Valentine's Day is over. Take this, you open some space here. All right, you have like 20 characters. And then, I would look for things that have, for example, lover has but doesn't have love. Keyring, we have couple, we have key, fob, we have heart, we have Valentine's, we don't need keychain, romantic. I mean, pretty much this is it. This is an option. Then you come here and then you just copy to clipboard and then you paste on your listings. Step number 7, upload the products to your store. Uploading products manually can be time consuming. And besides listing items, you also need to make sure that the prices of the items you list will always adjust to the price changes on Amazon or whatever supplier you use. And for this, you need a lister and a repricer. Usually comes as one service. You can check it out, autods.com or salefreaks.com. They're both great listers and repricers for eBay dropshipping. If you find any value in the video so far, I truly appreciate if you can hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay notified. All right. Okay. So far, so good. Now let's put this strategy in a real time frame so you can visualize the formula better. All right. So let's go. So step number 1, create an eBay seller account. That's week 1. Step number 2, start buying feedbacks. That's week number 1 to week number 4 until you get 50 plus feedbacks. Step number 3, list items from home and call eBay to increase your selling limits. That's on week 1. Step number 4, open buyer account on your supplier website. Here we have Amazon as an example, and you should do that on week 1. Step number 5, find fast selling products and list up to 10 new items per day from week number 2 to week 12. Step number 6, upload the products to your store. Make sure to create SEO optimized titles for your listings. That's from week number 2 to week number 12. The goal is to at least break even in the first 12 weeks. And once you break even, you're ready to adjust your strategy and focus on getting profitable. I hope you found value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep moving forward and see you next time.